In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion with ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can enable the connection quickly and confidently. First, open the Notion website in your browser and sign into the workspace where you want this connection to live. If you have access to multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. It helps to use a modern browser and a stable internet connection so the permission screens load smoothly. Next, head to Settings. On the web, you'll typically find this by clicking the gear icon or by selecting Settings and Members from the left sidebar. This is the control center for your workspace and where all integrations and permissions are managed. Inside Settings, go to the Connections section. This page shows the apps and services that can securely interact with your Notion workspace. It's also where you can review existing connections and adjust their access later, which is helpful if you want to limit or remove a tool in the future. Now click Explore on Notion MCP. This opens Notion's connection catalog so you can browse available integrations. The interface may vary slightly over time, but the Explore option is designed to surface trusted tools that connect with Notion. Here, you'll see ChatGPT listed among the available connections. Click Connect. A series of on-screen prompts will guide you through authorization. Follow those prompts carefully. You may be asked to confirm which workspace you're connecting, review the permissions requested, and approve access. Take a moment to read the permission details so you understand what data the connection can see or act on. If you're an admin, this is also a good time to ensure the connection complies with your team's policies. If you're not an admin, you may need workspace approval. Simply continue with the prompts and let Notion guide you. When the prompts are complete, you'll be taken back to Notion with the connection enabled. You can return to Settings, then Connections, to confirm that ChatGPT is listed and active. From here, you can manage or disconnect the integration at any time, and you can fine-tune which pages or databases have access if those options are available. To recap, open the Notion website, go to Settings, select Connections, click Explore on Notion MCP, then choose ChatGPT and hit Connect, following the prompts on your screen. That's all it takes to connect Notion with ChatGPT and start enhancing your workspace with AI-powered assistance.